Assalamualaikum and good day. I'm Alif. In this video, I will show you how to get yourself registered into Jmfr event. Before we start, I would like to tell you that this registration can be done using PC or phone or maybe tablet, but be careful when you are using phone because you're prone to do error while doing the registration. By that being said, let's start with the registration. Okay, first you will arrive at this web page jmfr.tnbj.com.my. okay, then go straight to the registration button. Click this registration button, register now, and then let the thing load. Once the whole thing loaded up, just read through this instruction and how to do it, and then once you are ready, click this button. Once the registration button open up, you can start filling in all your details. So while this video is being made, currently this event is offering the early bird price RM100. So this is the early bird registration. Okay, start filling in all your details. So in this example, I'm going to show you. Just put in your name, then put in your IC number, be careful when you are choosing your t-shirt size. Just click the given drop down and select the appropriate size. Make sure you did not do error while choosing your t-shirt size. Then once you have filled all the required fields, press add to cart button.
Once you have pressed the add to cart button, you'll be brought to another page. It says this is the cart page. It says Jmfr 2020 registration has been added to your cart. You can continue shopping. If you want to purchase, let's say the cycling jersey for the year 2020, you can add the new purchase to your orders. Once you have added all the required purchase like jersey for the cycling jersey 2020, or maybe cycling jersey VIP or cycling jersey top, whichever that suit your needs. Once you have finalized your shopping, if you wanted to continue shopping, just click continue and start adding more things to your cart. And then once you have finished shopping, go to the lower page, and then click proceed to checkout. Okay, just ignore this apply coupon button because we did not use this field. And then click proceed to checkout. Okay, just in case you have added more than one of the same name, you can just delete it here. Then you can update your cart. You delete it here and then you update your cart. Then until you get the suitable number that you want, and then just go straight to proceed to checkout. Okay, fill in all the required details, and then check your order to make sure everything is good. Then place your order. Okay, you don't have to fill in this field if you're already a member of the Jmfr website. Create an account. Create an account with the website before you place order. Okay, once everything is finalized, click the place order and then let the things load. You will be brought to another page, which is the checkout page and payment. Checkout and payment. Alright. Okay, once you are ready to pay for your order, click this button, pay via MallPay. Okay. Then now you are at another page, which is onlinepayment.com.my for Club Kilat Janamanjung. Okay, for this payment, you can choose whether you wanted to go with the online banking or credit cards. To do that, just click the drop down button here, and then you can choose Visa, Mastercard, online banking, FAX, Maybank to you, CIMB, Click, Bank Islam, RSB Now, Bank Rakyat, Bank Muamalat, BSN, Hong Leong, Afin Bank, Alliance Online, M Online, HSBC, Kuwait Finance House, OCBC, PBE Bank, Standard Chartered, UOB. Okay, paying using cash at 7-Eleven, Boost, Alipay, GrabPay, UnionPay, RazorPay, WeChat Pay, QR Pay. Okay, just choose whatever method of payment that suit you, and then so for this example, I'm gonna choose Maybank to you. Alright. Okay, so the icon here will change from Visa to Maybank to you since I changed the payment option. Then click the Pay via Maybank to you.
Just be noted that this button may be different depending on your kind of option that you choose here, option of payment that you choose here. So for me, I choose the Maybank to you. Then I click the Pay via Maybank to you, and then the system will bring me to another page that is Maybank to you. I will fill in all my details here and start paying. Okay. Okay, be sure to click continue with transaction. Okay, this is important step. And then click return to FBX. Okay, once you are at this page, it says thank you, your online session have been completed. Go to merchant online store to complete the process. Okay, just make sure you click that button, and then you are now at this page, order received. So yeah, that is all. So good luck doing the registration. If you still need any support or any help, you can contact me through email or WhatsApp, or maybe you can just give me a call during office hours. That is all for now. Thank you. Bye.